This is part 2 of my nature collection video. So I have the rest of my stuff in this trunk. Just open it. So right here I got a collection of old fashioned skeleton keys, and I don't know, it looks like it could go with all these old like nature stuff. I have it on top of a big shell I got from a beach. And here are rune stones. Still gotta learn how to do these. Work them. A jar just in case. Oh, here's the runestone book guidebook to how to do that. This was a dog, well, chew or obviously I didn't give it to my dogs because I had wanted to use it for other purposes. This right here is a deer shin skin or hide that I dried off of a deer shin. It's pretty hard, like cardboard. And here's the actual deer shin where I skinned it off of. Oh, this is what do you call it? Forgot the name of it, but you can use it for many different tools. Just you can get a lot of it off of deer and other mammals. Right here is a alligator hand. Got it from South Carolina. You can use for something named a necklace. Got a alligator skull or a head. Oops, that little bag attached to it. A little bit dusty, but the alligator head, the eyeballs are marbles. Scared my mom once with it by sticking it in her bed one time and her waking up to it next to her face. And here are, well, I might as well show you, tumbled stones I tumbled. Some of them are not tumbled. They're just pretty rocks, basically, in my opinion. I also collect rocks and just stuff like that off of nature stuff. This one's pretty smooth. Let's go back to the trunk. Now this is many different feathers I collected over time. Got turkey feathers, peacock feathers, looks like a blue jay feather, and a lot of feathers I found outside, the smaller ones from birds. Oh, looks like a cardinal feather in there too. I forgot I had that. Another blue jay feather. Blue jays are very aggressive birds for their size. I think this is a bullhorn. Okay, I stuck this cork in there to make I don't know, hopefully a drink out of it, a cup. And now I can't get the cork out. It was originally for a gunpowder holder, it looks like. Right here is a coyote tail I got from probably a Indian reserve or probably just a country store. People always get coyotes confused with wolves, or that's why wolves are more rarer than coyotes because I misidentified them. This here, dropping everything. Everything's that's fragile. Shark jaw or mouth, whatever you want to call it. Not entirely sure what kind of shark it's from, but I got it from my grandpa when he went to the beach one time. Some broken teeth, I think, over time since I have it. Gonna put that over here. Deer skull. I made got some ink on there and marked it with stuff. Just doodle on this deer skull. I was trying to make it artwork, but obviously I messed up. Probably need to redo that. Let's see, another deer skull that my little sister broke, so I had to chip off all the pieces that were like not necessary to be on there, since it was like already half broken. So I just chipped it all off. So I just left the sturdy part. So here's two deer jaws, I believe. Two deer jaws from, well, one found at Jordan Lake. Big lake, and honestly, I don't remember I found this one. Not totally sure. I know it wasn't one around here. Maybe I bought it, I'm not sure. Yeah, there. Got this right here, tomahawk, but I think it's only a prop, not actually to use. Doesn't look all that sturdy. But it looks actually the proper way how to make one. But I'm hoping someday, with all my rocks I got, I'll show some other time. Hopefully I can make a tomahawk like this. Got a pheasant wing. It was actually a hunting dog accessory or something like that. Or dog chew toy. Not sure why we give dogs feathers. Not a good combination. This is a bad example how I skinned a squirrel. I thought I did absolutely terrible on it. Yeah. I tried salting it for a while. Did not turn out well. But you learn from your mistakes. This is a turtle shell holding a lot of crab claws, and it looks like right here is a pheasant chest bone. I think this is part of an elk antler that I got in the mail one time. I was hoping I can make a knife handle out of it. This was a medicine bag holder and made out of a turtle shell. And I got my Zodiac right here, if it will focus. There we go. Zodiac bracelet. And a bunch of other bones. Got a stack of stones right there. Another container of bones. If it'll focus. There we go. Some of those are deer bones in that jar right there. Anything in this jar? Nope. From bouillon. And I got coconut right here. I actually got this, I think, from the grocery store. And just dried out the coconut inside and used this for a container, although the holes in it. In this container right here with the pentagram, when I was little, I made this box. Don't worry, that's not blood. That's actually, what do you call it? Crayon. I melted on there and probably some flowers. I don't know. I thought it was pretty interesting. Use some rags. I got this at a survival event. It's pretty cool. I actually really like it. I don't use it much. Technically, I don't use it at all because I use it as a prop. This one I found in the woods, in the woods nearby. I was jokingly saying it's a human vertebrae, but honestly, it looks like a deer one. Got a shell for tools. This one, I think I got in the mail. It's like a muskrat. Very large rodent. I think this is deer bone, but I tried to make a flute one time. When I had no idea how to make a flute. Little wooden stick with sharpened. Some cotton I picked from a already picked cotton field. This one's actually from my neighbor. He got this from Hawaii. It's pretty, but I had another one, but I think I got rid of it one time. Hey, right here. I caught this crawfish in it. My first ever catch crawfish in Connecticut, but I decided to keep the head. This is the other part of the muskrat jaw or head. Look at the little teeth. Pretty interesting. And I think the rest is... Oh, I think this is the cat jaw I was talking about in the last video. Yeah, they have hawks around here. And I think this is probably a cat jaw. I'm not entirely sure. Found it right under a tree that I commonly find stuff like bones and stuff, or nature stuff. Not sure what that is. The rest is some kind of... The rest are just bones of unknown origin, probably to me. Oh, and this one I got. Someone made really old time a pipe of acorn, but it's not. It's just a prop. Pretty cool. Someone hollowed out. I heard my mom said these used to be very common toys back in the day. And just this stuff. I'll put all this stuff back. But just to show you guys, this is mostly all my stuff. Alright, till next time.